Hi, Analo. Today, I can explain these codes for you, but first I want to talk about what's the main purpose of this code is. The task is try to create a three-dimensional array, which is the taking the value of the objects from the user. And then we already know the limit of the array, which is the 2 for x-axis, 3 for y-axis, and the 2 for z-axis. And for this code, we first start with import Java scanner code because we already know we are going to take any information from users. And then I say my public class code, it's my folder name, and then I see my public static void main case, which is the main part of my code. And then I see my scanner input, which is the variable for when a user type anything from keyboard, I keep this data, keep this input with this variable, which is the input. And then I create my three-dimensional matrix for double matrix 3D with three position, three empty bracket. And then I say new double. It's the limits of my axis, actually, when we visualize that. And then I see system.println, please enter a value, which is for user. It's a direction. And then I say for integer I, which is for my x-axis for variable. And then 0 means the first object in this axis. And we say while I less than matrix 3D length, which is the length of my matrix. And I just say upgrade my variable with add 1 in every case. And then I see same thing for J2, but the small differences is come with this part matrix 3D I, which is to say we work on the reference from x-axis, everything is clearly. And then the small differences is same like the previous one, which is the now we work on x-axis already, but now we work on y-axis in the same time. And now I will reference this to axis for z, which is variable k. And then I say system.print f mean format in this case. And then I say matrix 3D is the variable I, j, and k. And then I say I, j, and k, which is I taken from input, which is the variable mean the user type any input. And then the question is how can I print it on the screen, which is the print matrix. I give a comment for this and say the system.print the array is for integer. Actually, this part is same as like that, but the small thing is in first case I use this code to take any information from users and set it as an object in a matrix. But in this time, I just say after create my position, my variable, I say system.println matrix I, j, and k, which is taken from users in already in this case. And I create an empty line to organize my table, which is my output. And then I show it for you. The system want the first position in x, z, and y axis, and then I say upgrade the numbers in the position for the objects, and I type any randomly numbers in this case, and I see that the array is this.